Hello everybody, so today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can use about theorem. So we know that the range of cosine of 1 over s should be belong to from negative number 1 to positive number 1. Now, for this one, I will put negative number 1 for the both sides. So, this one we have negative number 2. This one we have number 0. Later that, we divide both sides by 1 over s. And now we have like this. Next, I will put the limit for the both sides. So, this one we have 2s, this one we have number 0. Because 0 multiplied by s, you got 0. So, for this one, we know that when s approaches to number 0, so we have negative number 2 multiplied by number 0, and we have number 0. So, this one equals to number 0, this one equals to number 0, so the limit of this one equals to number 0, and that is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.